Hey guys, it's Dylan J here, and I'm back with another video about Lego. This is my Lego butterfly knife, new and improved. It has a lock. It's a little bit awkward to get off. And then this is how it works. Instead of my old one being really weird, this one is more advanced. Yeah, good. If you can learn to do that quickly, it looks really cool. So how you do it is you make sure your finger is under the blade, under the right handle blade. Flick it back, turn it, catch it there, then bring that up. And then to bring it back again, make sure your finger's under there. Flick it back, turn it, and grab. Now, I'm going to try to do it as quick as I can, but without looking at the camera. Oh god, that failed. That failed so hard. Once more. Ugh. The lock can get a bit annoying. So when you flip it, you can take the lock off if you want. In another video, I will show you how to make the lock. Well, not the lock. Well, everything. The whole blade. Although it might not come up, because I might forget how to make it. So, yeah. Guys, the way that... Okay, I'll show you here how I'm going to make it. How I make it. Good time. Right, you'll need one of these, a 1x5 Technic piece, and one of these. Well, actually you'll need roughly around 5 of these. And if you don't have these, you can use a basic part like this. So, now, one second. Yeah, the screen has gone black because I've just put the recording thing down. You will need to make 2 of these. You will need to have one. You will need to roughly just try to get the parts off that. And that is a 1x11 Technic piece, the black blade. These are 1x15 regular building block pieces. Oh, one second, guys. There we go. This will be a doubled over piece. That is a 1x5 with a regular piece like that stuck in it. And now I will show you how to assemble it. First, you'll take one of these. And attach it to there. Then you will take the bite handle and then attach it to there. Just saying, I will make a proper video about how to assemble it. And then you do this exact same with this piece as you did with that piece. So you're going to attach it to there. So then it's like that. Oh, and by the way, with the lock, you'll see how I did it. The other piece with the lock is this. Oh god. Oh wait, now I don't know where to put it. Oh god. I think I know where to put it now. Good damn. Wait, actually, I'm changing the lock piece to this. You may have to put the lock on occasionally, but I suppose that it will work quite well. Yes. It's quite a good lock. And instead of being difficult to put on and on, you can just easily take it off and put it back on. Now I'm going to show you once more how it works from the beginning. Take the lock off, fold it up, put your finger under there, flick back, bring around, flick the black blade up, get your finger under there, flick back, grab, and do that. Now I'm going to show you once more and then I'm going to end the video. Well, see you guys. It's been Jell and Jay, and this has been the video. Bye!